Okay. So now, you'll be 3 years old next year. Right now, we're going to find you a school because next year, going to the school, no? Ate Sia. And he's eating on top of the table. That's Nanay. Toink. This is Tita Pine. Toink. And the Nares. Clayton is eating on top of the table with hot dog without any outfit, only diaper. Huggies diaper, that's a limited edition diaper. We bought it last night. I mean, last night. Sa Shopee. Good job, big boy. Hey, show me your star. Show me your star. Do you have star kanina? Ethan, show me. Oh, it says, well done, big boy. With an Apple logo! Oh no! It fell down! Oh! Look at this abs. Oh, this one. What? Kanin. Ay! So, this is for your future. We're going to start it right now because you only have 3 years to ipon to save. Because after 3 years, we're going to go to a big school and that's expensive. Oh, galing oh. Look at this. This one is at sea. Oh, galing oh. What are you doing? Daisy. Hey, you want me to cut your hair? Opo. You want to be bald? Ganda lang ang effect ng araw. This one is not. This one is Tita Pine and this one is Ate Olive. This is our humble house. Actually, this is our parents' house. Hi, Olive. There's Ate Eunice and Tita Sela. That's his car.